In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Meta AI on Messenger. So first head over and launch your Messenger app and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, make sure that you are on the menu page. So just click on the menu button. Then next from here, click on settings. Then next scroll down until you see the app updates settings. So click on it. Now from here, turn off auto update messenger setting. So just toggle this button off. Then next is head back to home and you can simply just hold the messenger app, then click on app info. Now the settings for messenger will then open up. From here, click on storage and cache. Then at the bottom corner, click on clear storage. Then proceed by pressing the delete button. Then once done, you should see Meta AI now removed from your messenger. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!